to make a collage on Pinterest. What you are going to do is you are going to open your Pinterest and go to your profile by clicking on the right bottom corner where your icon or your profile picture is. You are then going to click on plus and click on collage. So from here, you can put a couple of things together. You can put pictures from one board and make the colors different and do whatever you like. You can add text or whatever as well. Once you are done, you are going to then click done, click next. You can add a title for your collage, a description, and then when you click create, your collage